Now, just like we learned about the internal thoracic arteries, we also have a structure called the internal thoracic veins. So, the internal thoracic veins are these ones right here. As you can see, this is the right internal thoracic vein, and this is the left internal thoracic vein. So where are they coming out from? The superior vena cava divides into the left brachiocephalic vein right over here and the right brachiocephalic vein. So let's write that down for you guys. SVC divides into left and right brachiocephalic veins. Okay? And from the right brachiocephalic vein, we can see that it is dividing into the internal thoracic vein. So let's move this for you. Okay, there you have it.